got the last of the beans here done. I got this, I think this is 18 acres down here south of Swanton. Done, wet. But the neighbors, I don't know if you can see it over there, their head is still in the field. They got real stuck. This is a pretty wet farm here. But yeah, maybe you can see it over there. That green thing right there, that's their head. So they got stuck and must have pulled the combine from the front all the way in the back and just couldn't pull any further and dropped the head right there and left it. Now we're gonna head to the elevator as long as we can get out here without getting stuck. Over, tarp it back up. And I'll show you this behind me here, or to the side of me, how wet this field is. It is extremely wet. Just about buried my pickup behind me. Thought I'd turn around out in the field with the header cart. I got the front wheels in about 3 feet and no more. So, this is real sandy, swampy ground. So, got that. And we'll see this. I'll tell you what, these 2 mailboxes and then this real narrow road is it's sure a pain to get out of here. I had a heck of a time backing in. And let's see if we can get out without taking out a mailbox. Or going in the ditch on the other side. Not going to make it. How are we gonna do this? Alright, I got it. We're out. Yeah, I want to show you guys how wet it is. Here. There's that head. Swampy. Oh, look at this mess. That says she's a little wet. Yeah. So we'll head on off to Gerald in Delta. It's a little bit muddier back here. Oh, look at that. I'd like to get some tile back in this field.
They don't have tile back there?
No. That's where we usually have to go in. I cut this through already. See if we can see some deer. Can't zoom.
Got some serious deer back in here.
Yeah. I think there was one just right there.
What?
I think there was a doe just right in there.
Yeah, because those are
You
fresh.
see it?
No.
Kind of like a reddish color. The sandhill actually made something this year because we got quite a bit of rain. Not a lot. It's scraggly little bit. But this is the last of the beans. Last of anything for you, we're done combining. Ashley's been helping us today. My cousin. What?
Last full pass.
Oh yeah. Last full pass of the year. The beans getting dumped in. Done. We probably have to go move the head of the trailer. The semi's parked right in front of it. I don't know how he wants to do that. That's a wrap for Harvest 2021. Finally done. Now we just got about 600 acres of disc rip. I've only done 17 so far. I didn't film any of it because it was pretty wet and I just want to see how it would go. But we're done with harvest. Them beans down there weren't real great. I think it went like 30 bushel the acre, but it's on below sand and swamp and it's not good, real productive ground. It needs some tile down there, but whatever. But anyway, thanks for watching and see you everybody. Watch some of our other videos.